2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, lane departure warning, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, climate control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.